here we are back at it again with our second do-it-yourself video. On today's video, we're going to be taking care of these ugly calipers on my 5.7. You know, I don't have those nice kind of Brembo brakes, so today we're going to show them some love. Did my research, kind of looked around, seeing what the best paint options were, and we're going to go with the Duplicolor caliper paint series. This is a brush-on application and not your typical aerosol can one. You know, after again doing a lot of research, I just wasn't really feeling the aerosol version of it, the spray can version of it. You know, I just thought it was just too messy, you know, too much overspray, you know, a lot of covering, masking, all that kind of good stuff. So we're gonna go this route and, you know, see how it works, and then maybe 30-60 days later we'll do a review and see how the paint holds up. Alright guys, so I went ahead and unboxed everything in this kit. I did pick it up from Advanced Auto Parts. I think normally they're like 25 bucks, but I found a 20% off coupon code online, so it came out to like 20 bucks if you do like an in-store pickup. So I went that route, save some money. But in this kit, obviously you get the paint, you get some caliper cleaner, and then you've got some masking tape. So I did pick up a set of blue painter's tape. I don't know where it is, I gotta find it. And also I did pick up a couple extra set of brushes from Harbor Freight. I think these were like 69 cents. And then I found a little $2 kit from Harbor Freight as well, just to kind of you know, prep the calipers and kind of go forward though. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the front wheels. Alright guys, so I got the front two rims off. Car is jacked up, so we're ready to go. So first step here is obviously in this brake calipers, you got to clean it. You know, just like how I mentioned to you guys before, whenever you paint something, stick time or whatever, it's all about the prep work, right? So I also picked up this brake cleaner can from Advanced Auto Parts. Again, same use. I used that 20% off coupon online, pretty cheap. I think it's only like $3-4 bucks, pretty cheap. Anyway, so give it a quick little shake, and then really coat it, and then we got our brushes from Harbor Freight. So I obviously got a big long one for the big services, so we are gonna go to town on this thing and make sure that it is super clean. And I got a little small one for kind of all the grooves in here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and continue cleaning. Alright guys, I think we're pretty well prepped. Masked off the actual brake pad. I think we're ready to go. Yeah, that looks pretty clean. I haven't seen no more brake dust. I did forget to mention that, you know, this kit does come with this little itty bitty brush, which will probably take me a long time to apply. So again, Harbor Freight, 69 cents. You know, you can't really go wrong with that, right? Cool thing about this paint, you know, it says apply to 2 to 3 coats. And then I think it says, you know, wait 5 minutes in between coats, and then it should be dry to the touch within 1 hour, and then ready for use in 3 hours. So ready to go, just in case. Again, I don't have to worry about any kind of overspray, whatever. I masked up when needed. Got a little piece of cardboard at the bottom just to catch any kind of drip. But again, this should be the cleanest and easiest way, in my opinion, to get this job done. Alright, here goes nothing. And again, this little brush that it comes with, it's nice because I can get kind of like, you know, in the hard to reach places. And the big brush that I got will be just for the overall caliper. So it looks like it's coming on pretty nicely. First coat is done. I'm gonna wait, like 15-20 minutes just to really set it in, and then I will apply coat number 2, and then you know what, depending on how it looks, I'll do a third coat. So we'll be right back. Okay, coat number 2. There she is. I went ahead and did 3 coats just to make sure that it's on there properly. Coverage, I mean, it looks great. You know, I do have one more thing that I want to do, but I'm going to go ahead and knock out the other side, and then we'll do the back rotors. Okay, we are ready for the other side. Masked off, cleaned, and ready to go. Okay, both front calipers are done. Now just gotta wait for some drying time. Here's the driver's side. Okay, it came out nice. Again, I went with 3 coats just to be on the safe side, but yeah, it looks like it's gonna do pretty well. All right, time for the rears. All right, coat number 2. All right, guys, that is the last caliper, all painted. Again, I did about 3 coats on all 4 of them. So it's gonna let it dry. It says, again, I think it says 2 to 3 hours, whatever it says, but I'm just gonna wait overnight to make sure it kind of cures correctly. And then I will be putting on the decals at the very end and then showing you guys the finished product. But again, simple, easy. I just kind of masked off what I didn't want to get paint on, and then that's it. Check it out. Alright guys, so there is your finished product. Added my own little decal to it, something different. I will give you guys one little disclaimer on the product. It definitely did not dry within a couple hours, 24 hours, whatever. After about a day and a half, I think almost 2 days, it just was not drying. It was still pretty sticky. So I don't know if it's just the weather, too cold, too hot, too humid, whatever. But it just was not, not working out, not curing. So what I did was I took a heat gun to it for about 10 minutes on each caliper, and it dried pretty well. So besides that, again, it came out really, really nice. I loved it, nice and red, especially with the little decals too. I think it came out really nice. Again, just my own little touch to it. So there's the front one, and this is the rear, if you can see it. So again, completely different. I'm pretty happy with it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.